Well, I got it up and running, but the tower here, as I was afraid, is a little too noisy. So I'm either going to have to put something in there at an angle, piece of glass or something, or run a standpipe up to the 45 where it comes in there. Everything's leak free. I haven't had a single leak one. I'm going to let it run for a few days. Here's where I'll be running my carbon. The UV is it's running. The pump is overpowering the one siphon tube here. If I had two siphon tubes, I could run the pump wide open, but I'll be saving some electric by not running it wide open. I have to get a GFI circuit, and I'm just going to get a single one and put in the wall here where stuff plugs in. So there she goes, and there's the 20. I'm going to move over here, and the ATO is on it. So once I get everything tweaked here, I'll move it over when everything transfers. So it's tweak week and hang in there, and we'll have salt in it and get everything transferred over. Yay. And I'll get back with you on what I'm doing with the noise here on the tower, what I decide to do with it. I hate to do away with the drawer and the extra mechanical filtration there, the extra aeration that's going on. Seems like it would be a healthy environment right there. I like that. Just don't like the noise.